Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to build a professional website using Webruno. No coding, no complicated setup, just a few simple steps. Whether you need a website, a business website, an online store, a portfolio, or a personal blog, you can create it in a minute. Let's get started. So, first we need to go inside webruno.com. This is a website builder. It has Next.js technology. I can click on a start for free or login, whatever. Here I can enter my phone number. I would rather to sign in with Google. So after signing in, on a start, it asks us if we want any of these categories website. And this part no matters, you can choose anything you want. It creates a template related to this category, for example, if I choose it, and then you can change it. So there is no problem, I can do whatever I want. I choose, for example, resume and portfolio. Now we should wait to create to our website to be created. So now we are in our profile and our website is made right away. I can click on view and see this. Okay, see this sample template that it has created it for me. So now what's next step? This was the first step I told, that we choose our template. It's great. I can click on go. These are some preview that I can, for example, let's preview restaurant. Not much good. Preview of company. Preview of shop. So we choose one of these templates and then we can change everything. The next step is customize your design. Edit your home page, header and footer. Okay, let's see what we see. Okay, this seems to be header part, right? This is header, the footer is below, this is footer as you know, and this is in the middle of header of footer, name page. Okay, this is navigation bar for me to work easier. And now I can change things. For example, okay, we have undo button, very good. For example, I can write, okay, drag, drop it, or use these arrow keys, and I can change things here.